Thank you for speaking with us today, sir.
Of course, I love talking to you people. You people are wonderful people. I am going to give you a really great interview.
Okay, so will your government follow the UK government in trying to prevent diabetes?
Look, let me tell you something, okay? It's bad. It's really, really bad. We've got some very bad sugars out there causing problems. But I hear the UK has this great website, Life Now, Nigel Farage. Such a great, very great guy. He told me all about it.
How do you plan to tackle different types of diabetes?
Look, there's too many diabetes in this country. Too many kinds. People talk about post-truth. Well, we have a much bigly problem with post-diabetes. Okay.
Wouldn't post-diabetes mean dead?
Rude, and fake. Fake. It's a terrible, awful fabrication by the mainstream media. Wrong, but Trump will fix.
Will your government seek to tackle the global obesity problem?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, but how?
Well, it's a catastrophe. It's a disaster. Nasty sugars, and nobody knows what's going on. I will, and look, this is going to help honest, hard-working Americans. I will build a wall around the pancreas.
I see.
And we're going to make the spleen pay for it.
Mr. President-elect, thank you again for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you for the great interview. You're all beautiful people. Well, most of you.